Either I will come waving the tricolor after the victory, or I will come wrapped in the same tricolor. But I will definitely come. Captain Vikram Batra quotes.
If death strikes before I prove my blood, I promise I'll kill death. Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey quotes. Salute to our valiant heroes for their selfless devotion to the country. Our flag does not fly because of the breeze. It flies because each soldier who died guarding it breathed his or her final breath.
Amidst the treacherous terrains, inhospitable climes of Kargil, our soldiers exhibited a moxie that defied the very limits of endurance. They navigated the precarious precipices and labyrinthine passes with a tenacity that can only be described as an epic.
In the spirit of this momentous day, we are not merely commemorating military victory, we are reveling in the serious and unyielding spirit of a nation. Our cavalry sacrifices were not mere acts of bravery, but sublime acts of duty that resonate with the graveyard beyond words.
मैं दुश्मन से नहीं डरता, मैं भारत का जवान हूँ। मैं दुश्मन से नहीं डरता, मैं भारत का जवान हूँ। मरुस्थल की रेत हूँ, सियाचिन का आसमान हूँ। मैं दुश्मन से नहीं डरता, मैं भारत का जवान हूँ। मैं 9 दिन बर्फ में दफन रहकर जिंदा निकलता हूँ। मैं 9 दिन बर्फ में दफन रहकर जिंदा निकलता हूँ। मैं हिंद महासागर के लहरों के कपड़े बदलता हूँ।
मैं भारत का जवान हूँ, मैं दुश्मन से नहीं डरता। मैं भारत का जवान हूँ, मैं दुश्मन से नहीं डरता। मेरी दिवाली में उजाले का ख्याल तक नहीं, मेरी होली में रिश्तों का गुलाल तक नहीं। मेरी दिवाली में उजाले का ख्याल तक नहीं, मेरी होली में रिश्तों का गुलाल तक नहीं। चांद हर ईद पर तन्हाई में इजाफा लाता है, चांद हर ईद पर तन्हाई में इजाफा लाता है। मुझे राखी बांधने बस एक लिफाफा आता है, बस एक लिफाफा आता है।
I'm delighted to introduce our chief guest, Dr. T.N. Singh Sir, Director, IIT Patna. Guest of honor, Mr. Sanjay Kumar Sir, Registrar, IIT Patna. Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Mishra Sir, Campus in Charge, FTDI, Patna. Mr. Shirshendu Bharadwaj Sir, Regional Mentor, State of Bihar.
Mr. Jaiprakash Singh, Deputy Commandant SDRF Patna, and guest of honor Mr. Abhesh Chakravarti, Inspector SDRF Patna. Thank you all of you for your presence. We are privileged to have you among us today, and thank you for taking out of your busy schedule to extend your support. Your esteemed presence has indeed glorified the event and added a vibrancy to our humble gathering. As the evening progresses, as an anchor, my task is to guide you all through this event, making sure it's a memorable one for everyone involved. Buddha quotes, if you light a lamp for someone else, it will also brighten your path. Across diverse cultures and traditions, the act of lighting a lamp holds a multitude of profound implications and resonances. It symbolizes the triumph of knowledge over ignorance, hope over despair, and light over darkness.
It is an honor to invite our Honorable Chief Guest, T.N. Singh Sir, for lighting the lamp on stage to do the honors. We deeply appreciate their presence, marking the auspicious beginning of our proceedings today.
And I would also request our Honorable Director Sir and Principal Sir to join them along. I request all the guests, Chief Guests, Guest of Honors to please join on to the stage for lighting the lamp.
हरि ओम गणपति गहवामहे प्रियाणां त्वा प्रियपति गहवामहे लीनां त्वा निधिपति गहवामहे वसो मम आहम जाने गर्भधमा त्वं जासि गर्भधम्मा गायत्री तिष्ठुप जगत् तिष्ठुपन्तया सह बृहत्तु सिनक्कापसूचिभिः समेन तुत्वा द्विपदा जाश्चतुष्पदा स्त्रीपदा जाश्च खट्पदाः विच्छन्दायाश्च छन्दाः सूचिभिः समेन तुत्वा सहस्तोमाः सछन्दसा सप्तमार्ग्य सप्तदैव्याः पूर्वेकां पन्थामृतस्य धीरा अन्वालेभिः देरत्यो नरस्मिना जज्जागतो दूर्मरैर्देवन्तुस्तुप्तस्थैवेति दोरं ज्योतिकां ज्योतिरेकन्तर्मेव न शिवसङ्कल्पमस्तु।
Witnessing the lamp being lit may inspire us all. The flames upward movement, defying gravity, stands as a symbol for our quest of knowledge, upliftment, and the resolve to rise above all challenges. It stands out as a testament to the power of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance.
A heartfelt thanks to our esteemed chief guest of honors, for leading this auspicious wedding. As the lamplights continue to radiate throughout the day, let it remind us of our collective commitment to knowledge, harmony, and progress. With this radiating star, we now officially declare the event open and proceed with our planned schedule.
निखिल से बोले हैं फोटो साइड कर दीजिएगा, बता दीजिएगा। और एक मिनट इसको डाउन।
Your presence and participation have added a special significance to our event. Thank you for bringing life and positivity into the gathering.
Today, we are gathered to commemorate and celebrate the courage, valor, and sacrifice of brave soldiers who fought in the Kargil war.
Indeed, it is a day of pride and reverence, as we pay homage to our heroes who ensured that our nation's flag continues to wave high. As the great poet Harivansh Rai Bachchan once said, "Mitti ka tan, masti ka man, kshan bhar jeevan, mera parichay." This embodies the spirit of our soldiers who live each moment with courage and joy.
We stand here today not just to remember, but to relive the glorious moments of heroism displayed by our armed forces.